Hello everyone, in this video we are going to learn how to get the cell color from a cell and how to set the cell color for another cell. Okay, so here I have a green color for the cells A1, B1 and C1. So I am going to add or set the same color for the column D1 from UiPath. So let's go to UiPath and first I will drag Excel application scope activity because I'm going to perform an activity in Excel. So okay, inside that I'm going to give the path of the Excel file in which I'm going to get cell color and set that cell color. So let me give the path of Excel file. So this is my sample file. Let me open it, and inside this I will add get cell color activity to get the cell color. Double click on it. So here you need to provide the sheet name in which you want to get the cell color or you want to set the cell color. So my sheet name is just sheet 1, so I'm not changing it. So and this is a cell name in which cell you want to get the color. So I want to get cell color from A1 or B1 or C1 and put it in D1. So for the cell colors for A1, B1, C1 are same, so I will just give one cell name and I am going to give A1. So let it be A1 and I will use a set range color activity. Okay, so in this activity get cell color, I am going to create a variable at the output to store the color. So let me use Ctrl K is a shortcut to create a variable, and I will just name it as color or cell color. Okay, and go to variables panel, make sure that its variable type is color. So I got this color variable type by default. If you don't get this, just click on this drop down and click on browse for types, then type system.drawing system.drawing.c, then you can able to see that color. So select that and click on OK, and I will give the output variable name cell color, and I want to put this cell color in this D1 in this quotations. And the sheet name is sheet 1 itself. So let me run this board and see. Execution is done. Let me open the Excel file. So now you can able to see green color for the column D1. So this is how to get cell color and set cell color in UiPath. Thanks for watching. Please do subscribe and like this video.